Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious caramel cake with condensed milk. We will start by gathering all necessary ingredients, ensuring everything is at room temperature for best results. Next, prepare your cake pans by greasing and flouring them well, perhaps using 2 9-inch round pans. Finally, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius, to ensure it is ready for baking. This initial preparation is key for a successful and delightful dessert. Now, let's craft the perfect cake batter. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened butter and 2 cups of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, beat in 4 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition to ensure full incorporation. Finally, alternate adding 3 cups of dry ingredients, like flour and baking powder, with 1 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. This method creates a tender and moist cake base. Next, we'll create the star of our cake, the delicious caramel frosting. In a saucepan, combine 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly for about 8 to 10 minutes, until it thickens to a spreadable consistency. Remove it from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This creates a wonderfully rich and smooth caramel. Finally, it's time to assemble your magnificent caramel cake. First, ensure your baked cake layers have cooled completely on a wire rack. This prevents the frosting from melting. Next, spread a generous layer of your homemade caramel frosting between each cooled cake layer, creating a delightful filling. Then, frost the top and sides of the entire cake evenly, using an offset spatula for a smooth, professional finish. Your stunning caramel cake is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.